And yeah, y'all, this is it. These car shows that I'm going to are pretty awesome. So make sure y'all subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Peace.
Filming a little video. You got my thing for YouTube? Yeah. I just posted the video from last night. I got clips of you guys pulling out, and then the RX-7 spitting flames. Yeah, I just posted that one today. So yeah.